Hello, my good people. Welcome back to the recipe of the week. The recipe of the week. Welcome back to the recipe of the week. Welcome back to the recipe of the week. Let's talk about the heart. So I was at church on Sunday, and the prophet got up and began to talk about the heart. Well, that's what my recipe was going to be about today, was the heart. So anytime God gives me something, a topic concerning a matter, he tests me on it. We went to Nashville this past weekend and went to the zoo for Jaden's fall break. One of the things that stuck out to me that was just so great to me was the giraffe. And I was reading about the giraffe. And the one thing that stuck out to me was a giraffe has a big heart. And I can relate to having a big heart. It says that the giraffe's heart is 25 pounds. OMG. That's a big heart. Sometimes people that have big hearts, in some instances, tend to get the heart crushed. So God was just reminding me about keeping my heart pure and clean. Well, something happened this weekend, and it was not good at all. And it tried to take me back to my past and my thoughts and my walking in rejection. And I said, oh, but no, the devil is a lie. This is a new playing field, and we're not going back there. We're not doing that. That was way back in 05. We're not doing that. So the one thing we cannot do is change people. Come on, somebody, listen at what I'm saying to you. We cannot change people. We're not God. Now, we're his servants, and our posture is to pray for the people, not try to change the people. We can only sow seeds and pray the Lord will reap the harvest in the matter of changing. My heart is big, just like that giraffe, extremely big. And I care a lot about things and people and situations. I care about this situation, but this situation is not mine to carry. And I was reminded about the song, Jireh, You Are Enough. The song says, Jireh, you are enough. I will be content in every circumstance. Jireh, you are enough. Here's the thing. He's enough. He can carry it. He can fix it. He can do it. It's not up to me to carry it or fix it, because he's enough. In this situation, he's more than enough to fix the situation. So after the prophet got finished with the message today, I went up for prayer. I did, because what was trying to carry itself in my heart, the devil is a whole filthy lie, because I cannot change that situation, and I don't even want to. My prayer every day is create in me a clean heart and renew a right spirit within me. I want that daily. I am not going to allow the enemy to try to cause me to hold up anything that the Lord has for me and the champion, Jaden. Nope, not doing it. So however people want to do, go right ahead. Because the recipe of the week is Matthew 11, verses 28, 29, and 30. Let me read that to you. And it says, then Jesus said, come to me. You got to go to him. Come to me, all, not some, all you who are weary and carry heavy burdens. I was carrying a heavy burden, and I will give you rest. So it says when you're carrying a heavy burden, he's going to give you rest. That's word. That's Bible. That's scripture. 29, take my yoke upon you. Let me teach you, because I am humble. The Lord is humble and gentle at heart, and you will find rest for your souls. Yes, God, give us rest for our souls in all matters. Verse 30. For my yoke is easy. Somebody say easy. Easy to bear. And the burden I give you is light. He wants to lighten the load for me and for you. Well, he already did it for me when I went up to the altar, honey. That was the last tear I shed about concerning that matter. That's not happening again. That was back in '05. We're not doing that again. We're not doing that again. No, we're not. And I went up for prayer, and she prayed for me, and that was pretty much it. I will keep a clean heart. Oh, I mean that. That is my posture. A pure and clean heart. Remember, you cannot change people. The Lord wants to lighten your load of burdens and what you carry. I talk a lot bit about this unforgiveness. That will keep you in a place called stuck. My people, God's people. Hey, people, forgive. Move on. Your posture and position is to pray for the person. God knows we don't know why the person is doing what they're doing or why they did what they did. As a Christian, it is your posture, your responsibility to pray and move on. Pray and move on. Pray and move on. I want you to remember Matthew 11, 28, 29, and 30. Listen, when you're weary and you're carrying heavy burdens, he can make it light for you. He's God. He's Jireh. He's your provider. He's enough. He can provide whatever it is that you need. So you guys, keep your heart clean. Keep your heart pure. Do not allow people to pull you back in your past of what once was. We can't change people. We don't understand why they do what they do, but it is our responsibility to keep our hearts clean and pure. It is our responsibilities to love on that person and genuinely, not in a fake way. I thank God for the prophet today when she talked about that heart. Because see, that was me. I was getting ready to carry some mess that I already carried back in '05, and we're not doing that again. We're not doing that again. So I admonish you, give him your burdens. It will be light. You guys have an amazing week. Love you much.